डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोग देखेंगे व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी। बेसिकली production is the part of organization which is more concerned with the transformation of the input into the required output or useful products having the requisite quality level as per the requirement of customer. Again, step by step conversion of one form of material into another useful form. Thus, production is a value addition process between input to the output. Manufacturing custom products like boiler, a specific capacity, it will have a structural fabrication, and manufacturing unit like car, bus, motorcycle, domestic product. Basically, this is the input. Input may be man, machine, material, information, capital investment, and what will be the transformation process, product design, process planning, production control, and maintenance at various stages, and it will give output such as either product or services. It may also give byproducts. In this, continuous inventory, quality control, and investments are required. Feedback from customer as well, operator as well, and employee and a working environment are required to convert input into output. In this way, production is taking over. These are the systematic. Now come to the production system. Basically, it has been divided into four types. As volume and variety indicates the type of production system. As volume decreases, variety increases, or variety decreases, volume increases. Continuous production, mass production, batch production, and jobs of production. Now come to the basic concept of productivity. Production is the relation between input to the output, but it is a quantity measure. Basically, production don't take measure how much output is going to be produced and what may be the other operational process so that we can enhance the performance. That is not the part of production, but productivity is concerned with the quantitative relation between what produced and what kind of resources has been used. It refers to the efficiency of the production system. It is an indicator how well the factors of production are utilized. It is an attitude of mind. Basically, productivity is the attitude of mind. It is the mentality of progress, of the constant improvement of that which exists. It is the certainty of being able to do better than yesterday. It is the constant adaptation of economic and social life to changing condition. It gives happiness to the employee, organization, and the people who are involved with the organization. It is the continual effort to apply new techniques, new methods, and faith in the progress to develop the organization along with the customer satisfaction. Now, productivity means many things to many people. It depends on the organization and the product to be produced. But in case of industries, basically it is concerned with the output and input. Basically it is the ratio of output to the input. There are various type of production. One of production where only single products are produced, mass production system, batch production, continuous production, intermittent production, that means random or you can say temporary production, craft production where only manual work are involved, service production in which you provide some services and project. It is a unique kind of production like bridge, ship building, etc. There are various type of productivity that depends what is the output and input? Output will be some product, valuable product which can be sold out in the market. Material productivity, like output upon input, output will be the product and input will be the only material. Labor productivity, input will be only labor. Capital productivity, in this input will be only capital investment. Machine productivity, partial productivity, in this only we take only one factor, and in case of total productivity we add all these factors like output divided by material plus labor plus capital plus machine per etc. Now come to the comparison chart. Basically what production is? It is a function of an organization which is associated with the conversion of input into desired output, while productivity is the measure of how efficiently resources are utilized in the firm or organization to achieve the desired outcome. Production is a process while productivity is a measure. You cannot improve anything unless you don't measure it. Basically measurement gives the benchmark where you are and where you want to go. Production represents the number of units actually produced, while productivity gives output to input. To produce output, how much input are involved? Production is a absolute term while productivity is a relative term. It always requires benchmark. It determines production determines the output, while productivity indicates efficiency and effectiveness of the production system. A scope of production and a scope of productivity. Location of facilities, plant layout and material handling, product design, process design, production and planning control, quality control, material management, maintenance management. While productivity consider the efficiency and effectiveness of the system, customer satisfaction, total employee involvement and their satisfaction, product development, total involvement of the employee, that means how heartily they are involved, like they are present physically but absent mentally, that is not the total involvement. Optimum resource utilization, that means how much you are utilizing your available facility, and maximum output with the minimum input. These are few of the factors which influence the production, like type of product, quality of the machine, natural factors, technical progress, that means technical knowledge or technical machines, political factors, infrastructure facilities, technical knowledge and the character of the people, that means willingness of the people, whether they are working in what kind of mentality. Factors which influence the productivity is product factor, plant and equipments, technology, material and energy, human factors, work procedures, management, how much the top management is supporting the workers, structural adjustments, natural resources, government and infrastructures. These are few of the productivity improvement procedure in which we can improve the productivity by using CAD CAM, computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing, computer integrated manufacturing systems. Employee satisfaction, methods of the improvement, where and what methods we can improve design of the part or component, tolerance, standardization, specification, etc. Effective utilization of the material, working environment, plant layout in which the distance can be minimized, motivation to the employee for more and more work, along with the best quality, customer feedback, because most of the systems are improved on the basis of customer feedback. Few of the key differences between production and productivity. Production is an organized activity where step by step conversion of raw material into useful output take place. Productivity is an indicator of efficiency in the production in terms of optimum utilization of resources. Next is production is a process of value addition. We add value into the material to make a product, so it is called valuable product. Productivity is a measure of efficiency, how efficiently the product is produced. Production exhibits the number of units produced, while in case of productivity highlights the ratio of output to input consumed. Fourth number is production is always expressed in absolute terms, the volume of output produced. On the other hand, productivity is denoted in terms of quantitative relationship between output generated and resources consumed. Last one is production ascertain the value of output generated, while productivity determines the how well the resources are utilized by the firm in the generation of output. So dear students, these were the basic difference between production and thank you very much for watching. विश्वास करता हूँ कि इस रिलेशनशिप डायग्राम से सिस्टमेटिक लेआउट प्लानिंग और शेयर विद योर क्लासमेट चार्ट फ्रॉम टू चार्ट आप अच्छे से समझे होंगे। इस वीडियो को बार-बार देख करके
अब जाते जाते हम यह उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आज आपने जो वीडियो देखा काफी कुछ समझ में आया होगा, और यदि आपको कुछ कम समझ में आया है तो इसको आप एक बार और देखिए। साथ में ही मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि इस वीडियो में जो टॉपिक था उससे रिलेटेड या सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड और वीडियो देखने के लिए हमेशा प्लेलिस्ट में जाइए, जहां पर 200 प्लस वीडियोज उपलब्ध हैं। और इस वीडियो के द्वारा जो नॉलेज मिला, जो आपकी स्किल डेवलप हुई और हमने जो अपने अनुभव शेयर किए, हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि यह आपके जीवन में नित्य नई उन्नति के द्वार खोलेंगे। और जाते जाते मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सभी स्वस्थ रहिए, मस्त रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए। साथ में ही यह मुस्कुराहट अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी, अपने क्लासमेट के साथ, अपने शुभचिंतकों के साथ भी शेयर करते रहिए। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद।